Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to type multiplication signs in MS Word. We will see how to type dot multiplication sign, asterisk multiplication sign, multiplication cross sign. Step 1. Enable Math AutoCorrect. First go to File, then click on Options. From the left side, select Proofing. Now click on AutoCorrect Options. Go to the Math AutoCorrect tab. Here, tick Use Math AutoCorrect rules outside math regions. Then click OK, and again click OK. Step 2. Type multiplication symbols. Now you can use these shortcuts anywhere in Word. Type dot and press spacebar. It will convert into a dot multiplication sign. Now type est and press spacebar. It will convert into an asterisk multiplication sign. And type times, then press spacebar. It will convert into the multiplication cross sign. And that's how you can quickly type different multiplication signs in MS Word. For more useful MS Word tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.